Yes, I used to hear people say ukuthi hayi ichunu thina siyalazi nalo selingenile kule ndaba siyalazi ichunu akukho lapho ichunu elingena khona kungamosheki or kungabani nento ayisizobona khona. I used to see comments like that and I didn't understand what they mean from abantu base KZN ukuthi hayi ichunu siyalazi ichunu nalo selingenile siyalazi ichunu akukho lapho ichunu elingena khona ungabani something. I didn't understand ngoba ungizwa I know him just recently from being a media person and I think he was also a member of the ANC and yeah, here's my take on the issue yaga Ngizwe Mchunu. Yazi one thing we must be as a people ukuthi iqiniso silikhulu Ungizwe, based on my observation waqala ukujoin ama-march, the first one and ebeselikhulile march when the one that was in KZN when uPhakile Mthakathi no uJacinta they had mobilized enough people. I think it was one of the biggest march or the beginning of big marches last year when they wanted to go E-Point. I did go to that march meeting. I was there. And then they couldn't go to E-Point because Amapoisa, they did not allow them to go to buy E-Point. Right? And then they ended up marching around there at Tegui. Okay? Ngaqala ukubona Ungizwe Mchunu lapho mina. Whereas uPhakile Mthakathi he's always been there from the beginning. Kodwa Ungizwe Mchunu ngaqala ukubona lapho on that march. Number one. And then that's when I started to see lama comments. But there's going to be a problem. But I didn't understand what they meant. A red flag for me was when they had an issue no Malema and then he used a platform he march and nama protest ukuthi laba bantu bokufika kumele ukuthi bahambe. He used that platform ukulambast uMalema to such an extent that uMalema opened a case against him. And in my view that was very wrong platform ukulambast uMalema, because around the same time uMalema ubekhuluma something against the march. And then I remember uJacinta Umangobese came after Kubene situation whereby his houses were burnt down, Lape Emakai. Came and then there was a short conversation Lapo Bakuluma. Mr. Zuma, the husband to Umangobese, was also there, but Jacinta was speaking to on the sidelines to Ungizwe to Lalela. Let's focus on this thing. He said that ask for forgiveness or ask for utolo, or he said that you either pay him 1 million and then ikun Latin or something to that effect. Whereas Umangobese wamtela ukuthi no yekela le ndaba yokuthi personal no Malema, because this match is not, Malema is not the target of the match. This issue is bigger than him. This issue is about Lababan Melkut Baha. It's a country matter. That became a red flag for me. Kota, I'm explaining my view. Then there was the match in Joburg. And then when there was a match here in Joburg, I was also there. Iku Lati. Because abantu bengafuni ulona Premier akhulume, right? They didn't want abantu but akhulume at all. Iqhunu lathi trying to calm down ama crowds and abantu babe laphaya. Wathi Ungizwe ukuthi hayi, we know ukuthi they disappointed us. Kodwa we know ukuthi uPanyaza is one of the most one of the most influential leaders, or words to that effect. He was simply trying to calm a crowd so that a crowd can allow Premier with Akhulume, and ultimately spoke. Because Upagile Mtagati, I think he tried to calm the crowd down, but azange bavuma. Okay. Now, having said all of that, you cannot then come now, Ngizwe, and say ukuthi lama match aganawo impact. You can't say that. Because now, looking in hindsight, for me, Ungizwe, and then party yako, your presence played a part in a sense of what it brought more attention. Got why your attention for match and match was already there. Upagile Mtagati why pega no mangobes by pega. Ugoti even attention. When now you came and added your own attention to the matter. I'm not saying that you did not play a part. A positive. God, you cannot come now and change Uguti and say the things that you are saying now. Uguti, Ugmacha has not had any impact. What about this conversation now? It's now a global conversation. Sesnama, what you call, interministerial committees now on repatriation. This matter now, Ujacinta has been called internationally. So you can't say good Lama match have not had impact. And they will continue to have an impact. And it is the right Yaga match and match to disassociate themselves from you. Jenge ATM disassociated themselves from Ubabzu. Yeah. Nothing personal. Because they want to stick to Imishi. Yeah, match and match, which is match and match till we win. More by Imishin Yaga Jacinta is not to make money. Lo mama une I burden enhlizweni yakhe yena nomyeni wakhe bane I burden for the country. Lento indlula imali nina nibona imali nina kuphela. That is even case nathola imali. Nina nibona imali. This matter is bigger than a country. I mean, bigger than imali. This matter, it has generational impact. This issue of illegal foreigners, it has a generational impact. If singayilwisi manje thina generation namhlanje abantwana bethu nabazukulwane and coming zukulwane, it's going to be an issue. Kumele ukuthi thina sisukume. So this matter is bigger than imali, and uJacinta unomthwalo enhlizweni yakhe yena nomyeni wakhe concerning this matter ukuthi kumele ukuthi sinqobe as South Africa. So you cannot come now, Ngizwe, and say ukuthi match and match has no impact. Ama matches has no impact. You can't. Bengifuna ukulungisa lokho. Bengifuna ukulungisa lokho. Match and match till we win. And I'm not a member of match and match, but I support them. Even. Danko.